In this video we shall create the reference planes for modeling the face inside of Max. For that, let's go create a plane, a square plane in the front viewport. Draw it out like such, and then go to modify and change the name of the plane to front plane, which is a very useful name, and then reduce the segments to 1 each, that is 1 in the length and 1 in the width. Then move the square plane to the origin in the coordinate axis by the move transform type in, and you can find the move transform type in by right clicking on the move icon. Then we need to apply material to our front plane, so open up material editor and choose in the modes, choose compact mode, and then from there we apply a material to the selection, that is our front plane, and then we show it in the viewport, right? Then you lock the diffuse and specular channels, and then choose a bitmap to be attached. Choose a bitmap to be attached to the front plane. Then navigate to the bitmap on your hard drive, the male head front. These images have instantly been given to you in the descriptions. You can find the address to these images in the description. You need to open them and apply them to the front plane, then show them in the shaded mode by hitting this key. Now once they become visible, then our front plane's work is done. Now we go to the left plane. Okay, so zoom out a bit, choose the rotate and switch on angle snap, and 45 degrees should be your angle snap degree, and then hold down shift and rotate to create the left plane. When this dialog pops up, name the new plane created to left plane, right? The left plane, which is, again, I mean to keep the names useful so that when we lose something in our file and we have meaningful names, then we can find it back easily. That is the logic behind keeping meaningful names, right? Okay, now once you have created the left plane, you go to the material editor and apply a new material to the left plane, then show the shaded material in the viewport, switch it on, and then you again unlock the diffuse and specular channels, then apply a bitmap to the front plane, and here we go. We are almost done here, except a few fine tweaks remain. So let's now select this entire thing and group them and name it VStudio, that is a virtual studio, right? So it's a new group called VStudio, and you can get rid of this selection brackets by hitting J. But before that, what we need to do is I want to free up some RAM, because my machine is I do not have abundant RAM. So but if you do have enough RAM on your machine, you need not go ahead with this, but it never hurts to know. So I went to viewport configuration, and then I am choosing consistent colors, and then I should switch off shadows and then apply to all viewports. This is so that I can get some RAM freed, so that can be used in my modeling, will become faster, right? So J will help you get rid of the selection brackets, and G will help you in getting rid of the grid, right? I just crossed the 5-minute mark, but this is very essential, so please bear with me. What you need to do is right click on this and choose object properties, and from there switch off Show Frozen in Gray, that is tick off Show Frozen in Gray, and OK, and then select this and freeze selection from the quad menu. So what happens is now this is no more selectable, and this is a very desirable thing to do, because accidentally if you hit the reference planes, then it is not selectable. And the last thing we need to do is check. So I am hitting F to go to the front viewport and L for the left viewport, and this is what I wanted. This is my Virtual Studio. I go back to my perspective viewport, and this is what I wanted.